Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the AquaLung Hydroflex Shorty. So this is a neoprene shorty. This feels like 2.5, maybe 3 mil of neoprene. So something just to kind of throw on, just to keep your core a little bit warmer, but diving in more tropical waters where you don't need as much exposure protection or like physical protection over your arms. You just want something to, give you a bit of sort of buffer. Good for sort of a wide array of water sports, from scuba diving to whatever you do, snorkeling on the surface. Let's dive straight in. So this is how it arrives in a. Doesn't feel like a plastic bag. No, this is the that new like biodegradable plastic alternative. I'm not a plastic bag, compostable and biodegradable. Based on plant starch, asterisk, 80% maize corn, hyphen 20% PE, that's what, polyurethane? No, polyethylene, I think. Anyway, so yeah, you get this sort of not plastic bag, and this is like heat sealed at the top and the bottom, so I'm just going to pop this open quickly. And then you get the suit itself, along with a nice bit of foam just to stop it from folding over and creasing. You might find some little creases, but they're fine. Those will start to wear out as you sort of wear and move the suit around. Little tag on the back, Love Our Ocean, Dive Green, eco-friendly, all that kind of stuff. Had a quick read through those, and then you get the suit itself with the usual. It's not tissue paper; it is special to stop it like sticking to itself. And then you get the suit itself. So yeah, let's sort of take a closer look at the suit itself. So starting up around the neck, pretty traditional for a shorty. You just have a rolled neoprene sort of seal around that. Velcro tab on the back. That just lets you adjust exactly how snug it is around your neck. Also helps to sort of hold the top closed. But this is that modern Velcro. It's not the scratchy stuff. It's the sort of softer, more rigid, but still sticks pretty well. No internal seals. You don't have glide skin or anything. You can see the beginning of that flush guard that I'll show you later. Moving down the suit to the shoulders, you can start to see this this pattern detailing, which is coral. I think it's designed from the Coral Guardian. This is made to be a bit more environmentally friendly. So instead of traditional neoprene, this is limestone-based neoprene, a bit more environmentally friendly. But over your shoulders, over that patterning, you have this little detailing, these little dots all over it, that just adds a bit of abrasion resistance, but also some grip for your BCD shoulder straps. Moving down to the cuffs, as it were, for your arm. This is where you do start to see some rolled glide skin material. So this is sealing a bit more effectively against your arm, against your skin. So it's stopping water from flushing in. Water's still going to get in, but this slows it down so it doesn't flush in and out. You want it to get in and then stay in to keep you nice and warm. As you can see on the arm, this is Hydroflex Super Stretch 3.0, which is actually pretty stretchy. The arms are nice and stretchy. The rest of the body, I have felt stretchier. This is pretty traditional, pretty standard, but on the arms you do have a nice amount of flex. So for like physical moving and other like surface water sports, this is going to be lovely. On the chest, you have, which you tend to see on quite a lot of shorties, this reinforced section, which is, it doesn't have that material outer. So this is giving you a bit of grip, and so that's going to help with your BCD, but also if you're surfing, bodyboarding, all that kind of stuff, gives you a bit of like traction on your chest so you can stay on your board. Flat lock stitching throughout, so it's soft against your skin. There's no stitch underneath your armpit, so that's going to be nice and comfortable. It can be quite annoying if you get a stitch under there. With repetitive movement, it gets quite uncomfortable and rubs, but without a stitch, doesn't. Moving down, you have big open panels, which is quite nice to see. You don't see stitching panels all over the place, because as soon as you get stitch, you're restricting the amount of movement. But with big open panels, you do have plenty of movement. Again, another single panel in the crotch, Again, a very high wear area where you don't want a stitch line to rub anywhere. And then down at the bottom of the legs, you have more of this rolled glide skin, again to sort of help prevent water from flushing in and out. Turning the suit over, you have a nice long leash to get in and out of the suit all by yourself. Section of Velcro up at the top, just a little tab that helps to keep this YKK plastic zipper from undoing whilst you're in the water. So undo that to undo the zipper, but when you're actually in and you don't want that to undo, you use that Velcro to sort of stop it from sliding up and down. Nice easy action. And then underneath that you have this flush guard, so there's very thin, like 1 mil thick neoprene underneath that zipper. Helps prevents the your cylinder from sort of pushing it into your spine, but also it helps to slow water from getting straight through that zipper and getting to your skin. Slows it down so it warms itself up a little bit. And then underneath that you do have a this little section which most people sort of miss out. You have a small section of webbing just across there, sort of before the terminal of the zipper, so that when you're getting out you're not putting any tension on the zip itself. So that can be a high wear area. If you're getting in and out of the suit and you're kind of tugging on it and moving it around, you can break your zipper. But with this, they've just kind of moved that a little bit higher, so you're not going to break your zipper quite as early. And underneath that you have this sort of extra little tail at the bottom of the zipper, so you can grab hold of that with one hand behind your back, the other hand pulls on that leash, and you can get into it that much easier. And that's the AquaLung Hydroflex Shorty. All in, yeah, a nice shorty, subtle detailing in it, sort of mostly black, which is pretty traditional for shorties, but you do get that flash of color and design with that sort of coral print. A few more details designed for scuba diving than you tend to see on some shorties. A lot of them, they're more designed for just surface water sports, and it's just, yeah, you can wear that while scuba diving if you want to. But this one with that like shoulder print detailing, yeah, it is designed for BCD shoulder straps. Not too many other water sports have shoulder straps. But otherwise, yeah, it is well constructed, nice feel to the neoprene, a decent material on the inside and the outside, and yeah, it is more environmentally friendly as well, which is more of the idea for the Hydroflex. So it's a bit more environmentally responsible. But yeah, just something to keep your core a little bit warmer when the water starts to turn a little bit cold, or if you're sort of spending a bit more time in the water, but still nice and thin, so not overly buoyant. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.